Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your hair much more curlier using 4 different techniques. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I start by doing is wetting my hair. I make sure my hair is very drenched when I do these 4 methods. Then I part my hair in 4 so I can show each 4 methods on each part of my hair. With the first part of my hair, I'm going to be showing the finger coil method, and this method I'm just going to be creaming my hair beforehand. So after applying the cream, I just brush my hair throughout to make sure there's no knots or tangles in my hair when I start to finger coil. So once I've brushed out my hair, I just begin by taking small sections out of my hair and I run through my fingers to double check there's no knots, and then I just basically begin to twist the hair on my finger at the same time dragging it down so it twists throughout the whole length. So if I feel like my hair's a bit dry, I will apply some more hair cream to my hair so that it's easier when my finger's going through my hair when doing the finger coil. When I'm doing my finger coils, I also like to crunch the finger coil at the end just to make sure I get the extra definition in my curl as well. this is how your finger coils would look like at the end. So the next method I'm going to be showing is using the Denman brush to define curls. So like before, what I'll do is I'll wet my hair if I feel like it's a bit dry, and I'll also detangle my hair as well to make sure there's no knots before I do my curls. Again, I apply some cream to the section of the hair just to make sure my hair has moisture and it's not too dry for me to use the Denman brush, otherwise it can be very damaging to the hair. So with this method, I just simply get a Denman brush and a section out of my hair and run the Denman brush through my hair first to make sure there's no knots, and then I basically just twist the Denman brush as I'm running the Denman brush through my hair to create like a twist in my hair, and then sometimes I do crunch my hair at the end just to define the curl and make it a bit more bouncier. And this is how your curls would look like at the end of using the Denman brush method. So the next method is the twist out method, which is like one of my favorite methods because it's just so easy and practical, and it is a good method for a bedtime hairstyle. So once again, I'm just going to brush out my hair, make sure there's no knots or tangles in my hair, and apply some hair cream as well to make sure there's moisture. So what this method really is just twists, and at the end of each twist I like to twirl my hair at the ends just to train the ends to also be curly as well. So I do this throughout and make sure my hair is moisturized whilst I do these twist outs. And this is how your twist out should look like at the end. So last but not least is the braid out method, and this method is quite quick and it's good for those that know how to braid. So once again, I'm just going to brush out my hair, make sure there's no tangles, no knots, and also spray my hair with water if I feel like it's a bit dry, and put some hair cream into my hair to moisturize my hair. So with this method, similar to the twist out method, I just take small sections out of my hair and begin to braid it. I did struggle to braid my hair due to my nails. I have really long acrylics, so I did struggle with this one, but I did manage at the end to braid the small sections. And this is how your braid should look like at the end. So after about 3 to 4 hours of air drying my hair, you can use a diffuser to dry your hair, but because I do like to air dry my hair, I just chose to do so. I applied some oil into my hands and then began to take out the twists out and the braid out. This is what the braid out looks like when it's dry and it's taken out. I do like to fluff it out just to get that more volume look. here I'm just showing how the braid out looked, and this was the twist out, and this was fully dry as well. And then behind the twist out was the Denman brush as well, which was dry, which I think this one turned out the most defined, and it was really easy as well. And then afterwards was the finger coils, which is coming now. And the finger coils, which was very quick and easy, gave a very tight curl type of look, which was what I wanted as well. So yeah guys, that's it from me today. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.